8 reasons why every child should learn coding. If we want to set our children up for academic success, every child should learn to code. Coding for kids not only helps to improve their mathematics and writing skills but also gives them valuable skills in life and eventually in the workforce. There are various reasons why coding is important to learn and why coding should be taught in schools from an early age. The early children can learn to code to better their chance to success. Help your kids learn coding. Before we get to talking about why every child should learn to code, you may have come here looking to find out how you can teach your child to code. It is easy to get started teaching children coding even if you don't have any coding experience yourself. In fact, we have compiled a list of coding concepts even 5-year-olds can understand here. There are so many ways to get started with teaching kids coding. Here a few suggestions from our site. Start out unplugged. You can get started coding with your kids today. It is easy and all you need are items you likely already have around your house. To first start learning the basics of coding, you don't even need a computer. One of our most popular unplugged coding activities involves learning coding with a deck of cards. You can find out how to learn coding with a deck of cards here, or you can find our whole list of unplugged coding activities here. Learn coding with a deck of cards. There is an app for that. If you are like me, you struggle with appropriate screen time for your kids. I know that I got the point where one more YouTube video of kids opening and reviewing toys was going to send me over the edge. We try to make our screen time as educational as possible. I even taught my son to play the piano using this app. There are lots of amazing coding apps that can get your kids learning to code without even realizing it. Even popular games like Minecraft have an education edition that helps kids to learn coding. Our favorite coding app is this one. We have a whole list of the best coding apps for kids here. Start with an hour of coding. One of the easiest ways to get a taste of programming basics for kids is with the fun and free hour of coding activities available online. These activities are designed to take only an hour and can kids and parents a chance to understand the importance of learning coding. We have an entire list of our favorite hour of code activities here. Hour of code worksheets. Our hour of code worksheets will help to reinforce the basic coding concepts learned in the activities above. These worksheets are perfect for the classroom or home. Our worksheets cover the concepts of algorithms, sequencing, loops, variables, decomposition, branching and debugging. But why is it important to learn how to write coding? Why should kids learn coding? There are so many reasons to learn coding. It was hard to pick just 8 benefits of learning to code. From problem solving skills, job opportunities, critical thinking and creativity. There are so many reasons to learn programming. Let us review why kids should learn to code. Here are 8 reasons why coding is important to learn for kids. Why every child should learn coding. Play video. Programming helps children learn to problem solving. Understanding computers and learning the basics of coding helps children to develop an appreciation of how things work. It also teaches them how software engineers use maths in order to solve problems in a logical and creative way. This is an important reason that coding should be taught in the schools. So children learn these skills while they are young. The ability to solve the problems is a trait that is useful in life in general. We all want our children to become excellent problem solvers so that they can overcome any adversity they face. Learning to code gives children the chance to learn this type of skill while they are young, and it can help them along the way in life. This is one of the biggest reasons coding is important to them. Why coding should be taught in schools? Computer program gives kids a challenge and helps them develop flexibility. When children learn to code, they develop the ability to bounce back after failure. They learn that failure is not necessarily a bad thing, and in fact it can often be something positive because it serves as a learning opportunity. This is one of the most important reasons why kids should code, and they will learn quickly that debugging your code is half the fun. When you fail and try again, you can learn from your mistakes. Coding gives children the ability to try and try again until they succeed and produce results they are looking for. Coding teaches children how to think. Steve Jobs says, "A computer is a bicycle for your mind." Learning to code teaches children how to think. Computer programming is not just about teaching how to type lines of code. It is more about teaching children how to think differently. Being able to code effectively, a programmer needs to use logical thinking. They need to be able to see a large problem and break it down into smaller pieces in order to solve it in an effective manner. This is called decomposition and is one of the key features of computational thinking. Children learn coding will need to take a vague idea and use their creativity to turn it something effective. If the first solution does not work, they try another one. If that one does not work, they try again until the problem is solved. Coding helps to develop this way of thinking, and these types of thinking skills are highly sought after. Coding for kids. Children expand their creativity when they learn how to code. Coding is important to learn because computer programming teaches children to experiment and gives them the confidence to be creative. They will have the chance to design something that is entirely their own. Children thrive off the feedback they get from creating something they love. Just like learning a language or to play a musical instrument, children need motivation. Usually, seeing results along the way is enough to cultivate this, and this is what happens when children learn to code, because coding is easy to pick up for children. Especially confidence comes easily when children learn how to code. It gives them the opportunity to be confident and create something in a fun and exciting way. Why is learning to code so important? For us, creativity tops the list. We love the creative games and activities our kids can create with coding. Coding does not have to be boring. In fact, coding can be fun. We show how to make coding fun for your kids in this post. Computer programming is the future. When you look at how the world is developing, coding is an extremely useful skill to possess. There are increasing number of businesses who rely on computer code, not just those in technology sector. A child who learns how to code will have the advantage in life with more employment opportunities available to them. In the future, no matter which industry they decide to enter, whether it be the technology sector, finance, retail, health and other. This is an important reason why coding should be taught in schools. Coding teaches problem solving. There is a lack of skill in the software industry. Experienced computer programs are in demand, and with the advancement of technology, there are increasing career opportunities arising every day. Employees who can code are the future and are highly sought after in any industry, because qualified computer programs are hard to come by. Their salaries can be at a high level. If children learn to code at a young age, their experience starts young and they are more likely to grow up with an interest in the software industry, therefore contributing to our future. Coding helps children learn how to have fun with maths. Coding is the language of maths. Imagine coding being taught in every school. Learning to program involves many skills, including organizing and analyzing data. Children can grow their maths skills while coding without even realizing it. Using their logic and calculation skills while creating something of their own can make maths more engaging and fun. Another big reason coding should be taught in schools. Why is coding important to learn? Coding is learning while having fun. If you want to give your child something enjoyable to do with which will also be educational and help them to learn, learning to coding is the perfect gift. You can read about the reasons why coding is important, but one of the main ones is to give them a challenge while having fun. Children will learn various skills and with patience gain some important skills that can help them through all ways of life, and if they can do all of this while having fun, why not? When should my kid learn to code? In other opinion, teaching kids code is something that can be done as early as preschool. In fact, we have entire post dedicated to ideas for getting preschoolers started with coding. You can read this here. As early as age 5, kids can learn the basic concepts of coding. Here are 5 coding concepts that 5-year-old can understand. Even kids who cannot read can learn to code with block-based coding. Check out these coding apps that can help kids as 4 or 5 learn to code. Why is coding important to learn? We have gone through some great reasons why coding is important to learn for not only children but anyone. If you have a child, giving them the opportunity to learn about technology and the way computers work will surely give them an advantage in life. Learning to code while they are young will set them up for a successful future. If you like this video, you can subscribe and you can share the video among your friends.